Oh yeah.
What happened?
Just kidding. Bye.
Where is the beast?
This is what we're after. Good morning. We found a cool spillway that we're gonna go fish, but we're gonna go get little minnows and a minnow bucket so we can go back and fish it.
Yeah.
Cause that was cool. See our rods? Isn't that neat? Let's go fish. Okay. Well, this is what happened. I fell on my butt trying to get to a picnic table to this cool spot we found because we just got back from bait. I didn't make it down there. Now there's no spots, so we're gonna wait a minute and air out close. And try this cool new thing that Jeremy looked up because our friend Scott gave us the koolatron. I guess this thing's called the koolatron, but it is not cool at all. It gets 300 degrees in here. And Jeremy got me little pans so I can pre-make stuff and put it in here and see if it cooks while we're driving. So for our tester this morning while we're waiting for a spot, we're gonna do cinnamon rolls. I'm super excited. I've been waiting my whole life for this. Oh, we should probably get a Red Bull while we're at it. And cinnamon rolls. Again, we don't know how the cinnamon rolls are going to turn out, but I'm super excited to try this and I want nothing more than for it to work. Delightful. I took cinnamon rolls from the package, like the Pillsbury, and then I cut them in half and folded them and put them in this pan. Never tried this before, have no idea what to expect. Ew, but okay, we're putting it in the koolatron. I'm so confused. And okay, well, we're gonna set a timer for like 40 minutes and check them in 40 minutes. I'm so excited. I hope this works. I gotta go find my icing.
Alyssa's catching fish before I'm ready. Haven't even got everything down here. She just ran down here because it's hard to get a spot down here. It's very slippery, so I have to be careful. Sorry, it's taking a lot to get everything together. Oh, you got catfish?
Yeah, so I got one of the dead shiners is what it was, and I just found this jig head over there because you didn't have tackle yet.
Yeah.
So I borrowed this jig head that was left there, and then I put that daddy guy on. So then I saw a wiper come to the top right here, so I literally dangled this like a few feet, like literally a few feet down, and then like 2 seconds later this guy showed up. Hi.
Cool. Well, that's where I go get stuff, but I'll drop this off, and it is way easier to walk with these water shoes.
Oh my gosh, I bet. I'll just let my pet cat go over there. He's following you. Look behind you.
I'll leave this for you. Put it around your neck while I get everything.
Okay, I'm gonna just try and do that again. I should probably let this guy go. He's tired of being on the hook.
He's gone. You're gonna fall on your face.
No. I just wanted to get here. The issue is that it takes me 7 minutes to get anywhere.
All right.
Can the camera see all this slime? You guys see all this slime on the ground? I don't know if you can see.
Oh yeah, it's
all
very
the algae.
Very
So
slippery.
it's so slidey. How come I'm like so bored out already today after this guy? All right, let's swim the right direction this time. Look at all those minnows. Hi, guys. Okay, are we ready?
Yep.
Go this way.
He's gonna go the opposite way. Oh, he went.
Zoom. Hi, good, how are you? Yeah? Mine is gonna be on my boyfriend's phone, which is right over here. I think he's pulling it up right now.
Get one pole or two?
Two.
Okay. So far today?
Got one catfish, but hoping to be after wiper.
Oh, good. You buy the book?
Grab a gill. He's a goodie. Get the fresh water. Uh-oh. I don't know. I do have a clicker on, but I'm gonna turn it off and engage it. I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to fish anymore. Please be not a catfish. Whoa. Babe, what is that? What? Why is that the cutest one I've ever seen? That's the most camoest. Oh my gosh, why?
You just went from catching your biggest flathead of the year
Perfect. Can I get the picture with him? If I don't lose him first. Why are you the coolest camel cat I ever caught in my whole life? That is definitely the smallest camel cat I've ever caught in my whole life. But you're the prettiest.
but that camera's working.
Do we want to do a release video? Ooh, just kidding. Bye. Oh. What did you get? Bobby Word.
Catfish.
State record catfish.
Spotted one.
State record catfish. Well, we have clothes drying over there. Jeremy's fishing. We got all our rods put up. Smells like cinnamon rolls. Let's see how these have been doing. Cinnamon. They're definitely getting there. Just need to dig out our icing and give them a few more minutes. Those guys, they're having a good day. But now they gotta figure out how to get that catfish up that wall. Let's watch. Oh, Jeremy's a nicey, and he went to go help them net their fish. Woohoo! Our mini cinnies are finally done. Jeremy's out there. But we're having too much fun fishing, so I figured I would just bring the cinnamon rolls to him. They're done. Our little cinny minis. Now I'm gonna get over there to him with these. We'll be fun. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy in my face. Put this in your face. What do you think of my little teeny cinny meanies?
Good.
Yummy. Cinny bite time. I was literally just lowering my blue gill. Is it what we want?
Yep.
Yay! we could get him. You. That's what we're after. I knew it. I knew that corner would be good if I kept trying. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Wifey. Wifey. We just had to catch 3 catfish before we got it. Hi. It was crazy. I literally was lowering it back to the bottom because I was going to put it right straight on the bottom.
Oh, my bobber is going under.
Sorry, don't trip over Wifey. Hi, Wifey. Bobby. He got off. Ow, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Finally caught what we're after.
We are right by my feet,
Watch out, that hook's about to pop out.
Yay, we caught, ow.
Yeah, he's gonna stab your boob.
Don't stab my boobie. Where are you? Where is the beast? This is what we're after. Thank you so much. Okay, ready? You're like more than... Whoa, 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 whoa. Bye. Back to the depths. Down to the danger zone. If you slip on this, you fall on your ass. And you get a wet ass.
What happened? You said that was gonna happen before you went and got the net.
You said it extended. Another set of clothes to try out. I started this video with wet clothes and I'm ending it with wet clothes. Wow!
Did you get any?
Ah! Fail!
I saw that coming as soon as I seen you take off fast.
I'm gonna need a cinnamon roll. Cosplay my life.
On to the next adventure. Stay wicked, y'all. He's gone. You're gonna fall on your face.
No. I just wanted to give you a kiss.
Bye.